Hello! Today we are going to see how to create a custom survey on the poll&roll platform. To do so, click on Create a Survey and then select Write your own questionnaire. By doing so, you will automatically switch to the Pro plan. First, we recommend that you customize the name of your survey by clicking on My Survey at the top left and typing the name of your project. Information such as age, gender, region, occupation or city size are predefined by poll&roll for French surveys. You don't need to add those questions to your questionnaire. You can then start creating your first question by clicking on Add a question. Many types of questions are available. They can be single answer, multiple answer, or other types of questions. We will start by creating a single answer question. Type your question. Formatting tools are available to help you edit your question's label. Then, click on Create to save your question. You can then enter your answer items and click on Add. You can add another specified item by clicking on the link below the Add button. You can then edit the wording of the item, add a filter, freeze its position in the answer list, or delete it. You can make this question a screen-out question. Only respondents who meet certain criteria will be selected to remain in the final sample. For example, here we want to keep the respondents only if they answered on the day. Then click on Save. You can then edit this screen-out criterion. For example, you can broaden your target by keeping the respondents who did not answer never. You can also add filters to your question. For example, only respondents who answered on the day will see this question. Then click on Save. Finally, you can randomize the items. The icons at the top right allow you to edit the question's label, add an image to the question, duplicate it, or delete it. Once you have completed your questionnaire, you can export it to PDF format. It will be sent to you by email. You can also preview the questionnaire that is testing it as a respondent. When you are done, you can click on Continue and define the scope of your survey. To learn more about the scope page, see our Edit the Scope of Your Survey tutorial.